Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am going to show you a beautiful patio set that I received from Povison. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. To all of my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much. I love you all. This is a 5-piece patio set. My husband put it together last night. It took 3.5 hours to put it together. At the beginning we had a little bit of trouble figure out what's what, but once we figured it out, it was very easy to put it together. As you can see, it has the frosting areas and the table. I love the fact that the cushion have the removable cases, which will make it easy for clean up and wash up. It came with 2 throw pillows. The pillowcases are removable as well. Of course, the table came with a tempered glass for the top. Of course, I added a little bit of Zam Zoom on the table, and we are done with setting up the set. I think it is really beautiful. I truly enjoy it. The set so far seems to be very comfortable. Not a 5-star hotel comfortable, but good enough. It gives a nice modern flair to the backyard. The pillows are super cute and they add a nice little pop of color. And I like the fact that the set is super affordable. It is not an expensive set at all. Another good thing about the set, I can style it 3 different ways. This is another way. And this is the last one. All 3 of them are super cute. I really like the table as well with the glass on top of it. I think it glams it up a bit. What do you guys think? One thing I have to say, the furniture set must be handled with care. Let me show you. I already scratched mine. When my son was helping me, he dragged it on the floor a bit. But for me, it is not a big deal because it's going to be covered with the cushions. Otherwise, it is a nice set. As I mentioned, it is super affordable. I will definitely recommend it. Guys, let me know your thoughts on the patio set and which style was your favorite. Big thank you to Povison for collaborating with me today. As always, the link for the patio set is in the description box. Thanks for stopping by and make sure you hit your subscribe button. I will see you on the next one. Love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.